Dear colleagues, today is March 17, 2021. It is now 1 year ago that the corona crisis reached TWINCORE. Back in these days, I think none of us believed that 1 year later we would still struggle with the pandemic. 1 year ago, we implemented a broad range of various different measures which made TWINCORE a safe place to be and to work at. All this was accomplished within a very short time period. We established the technical basis to be able to remotely handle basically all computer work. We trained people in operating our preferred video system. We defined rules that allowed us to work in the lab. During the whole last year, we did not experience a single case where an infection was spread at TWINCORE. This is due to your contribution. Thank you very much for your continued support with the implementation of the TWINCORE new normal. I remember last summer when in public a relief of distancing rules was discussed. At TWINCORE, you all supported the decision to further optimize our safety measurements. During the last year, we not only managed to proceed with our daily research work, we even moved into new research areas of corona research. This needed tremendous efforts. New protocols had to be established, in particular in the S3 unit. New reagents and models had to be adapted. Thank you for undertaking all these efforts. Already now we see that this initiative pays back. We could show that even in a serious crisis, we are fully functional and creative, and that we are able to create highly relevant new knowledge. So everything is great? No, not at all. I know that the families of some of you were heavily struck by corona. I know that in particular our younger people with smaller children are facing the challenge to newly organize themselves every day. And also our younger people without children have hard times. The time between 25 and 30 years of age is the time when the big life choices are taken, when the basis for a successful career is laid, and when partnerships are founded, in some cases for the whole life. All this is not easy to accomplish under conditions of distancing. Therefore, we have to proceed moving ahead. We have to deal with each other in a very attentiveness manner, with empathy and patience. At the same time, we have to keep our scientific spirit for excellence innovation, and we have to stay competitive. Is this a contradiction? I think currently we are learning how to reconcile these rather divergent characteristics. The vaccination campaign moves ahead, and presumably in late summer, approximately 70% of the population will have received at least a first vaccination shot. This will be a relief, but the pandemic will not be over. We will have to proceed as we are doing for quite some additional time. All the best and stay healthy. Yours, Ulrich Kalinke.